Hello, everyone. My name is Omar Ibrahim. Today, we are going to talk about physical measurement. So, let's start. Physical measurement. What is physical measurement? Measurements translate our daily observation into a quantitative amount that can be expressed in terms of numerals. So, what is the physical measurements? To answer this question, let us revise the following example. When we measure the length of pencil, here is pencil. When we measure this pencil, this is unknown quantities. This is unknown quantities. So if I want to measure this unknown quantities, we have to prepare or bring a known quantity like ruler. This is ruler. This is known quantity. Here is millimeters. This is known quantity. Okay. This is known quantity. So what can I do if I want to measure this pencil? All I need to do is to put this pencil inside the ruler and take the measure. For example, if the ruler measure 7 centimeter, so in this example, we compare between a known quantity with known quantity. This is physical measurement. So physical measurement, we can define it as physical measurements. It is the process of comparing. It is the process of comparing. Comparing what? Comparing a known quantity with known quantity. Okay. For what? To find out, to find out, to find out how many times the first, how many times the first, how many times the first includes the second, include the second. Okay, this is physical measurement. Okay, uh, what is the measurement process is? What is the measurement process are? Okay, to make measurement process, we need to have three elements. These three elements is important for make the measurement. Number one, okay, number one is physical quantity. To make the measurement, we have to have physical quantity. Number two, we must have measuring tools. Three, we have to have measuring units. Measuring units. Okay, let's start with physical quantity. Physical quantity. What is physical quantity? We can divide it, physical quantity, into two sections. Physical quantity divided into two sections. First one is fundamental. The second one is derived. What is fundamental physical quantity and what is derived physical quantity? Okay, let's start with fundamental. Fundamental, they are physical quantity. The definition of fundamental is they are physical quantity. They are physical quantity. They are physical quantity that cannot be defined. That cannot be defined. That cannot be defined in terms of other physical quantity. In terms of other physical quantity. Like what? Like mass and length and time. This is physical or fundamental physical quantity, mass and length and time. What we mean by derived physical quantity? Okay, derived physical quantity, the definition is they are physical quantity. They are physical quantity. They are physical quantity that can be defined. That can be defined in terms of the fundamental physical, in terms of the fundamental physical quantity. For example, velocity and acceleration. What is velocity? Velocity, it is distance over time. So a velocity can't be defined, but we have to have distance, physical quantity, other physical quantity, and other physical quantity is time, and divided them to have the new physical quantity, that is velocity. So velocity, it's derived physical quantity, not fundamental physical quantity, because velocity cannot be defined in terms of can be defined in terms of fundamental physical quantity.